Is your Schlage Connect smart lock unresponsive? We'll get you back on track. This video covers common issues like connectivity failures, battery problems, and general unresponsiveness. We'll walk through simple fixes, resets, and troubleshooting steps to diagnose and resolve the issue. Let's start with the basics to get your lock working again. The Schlage Connect uses Z-Wave technology for wireless communication with your smart home hub. While Z-Wave is still functional and works well for many users, it is gradually being replaced by the newer Matter protocol. However, connectivity glitches can still occur with Z-Wave devices. Schlage released firmware updates in late 2025 to improve stability with Z-Wave hubs. But compatibility issues can still happen, especially with newer Matter-enabled hubs. Keep this in mind as you troubleshoot your Schlage Connect lock. Low batteries are a frequent culprit. The Schlage Connect uses 4A batteries. Low voltage can cause all sorts of problems. Replace them with fresh batteries, ideally lithium batteries like Energizer Ultimate, for longer life, 1 to 2 years versus 6 to 12 months for alkaline. Ensure the voltage is above 4.8 volts. Battery leakage can also be an issue, so inspect carefully. Z-Wave operates on a mesh network, where devices connect through multiple paths. Ensure your lock is within 100 feet of your hub without metal obstructions blocking the signal. Wi-Fi 7 or other devices can cause interference. Try relocating your hub or lock for a stronger signal. Check that your hub and lock firmware are up to date. A soft reset clears the lock's network settings without losing all data. Press the Schlage button on the lock 10 times quickly. This disconnects it from your Z-Wave network and allows repairing, often fixing basic connectivity issues. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, perform a hard reset to restore the Schlage Connect lock to its factory default settings. First, remove all 4AA batteries from the lock. Then, press and hold the Schlage button on the lock while reinserting the batteries. Continue holding the button until the lock indicates the reset is complete, typically with a series of beeps or LED flashes. This hard reset clears all network settings and customizations. Afterward, re-enroll the lock with your Z-Wave hub using the inclusion process. To repair your Schlage Connect with your hub, start by excluding it from the network. In your hub app like SmartThings or Wink, access Z-Wave utilities and select exclusion mode to remove the lock. Then, initiate the inclusion process to re-add the lock to your network. Follow your specific hub instructions for adding a Z-Wave device, which may involve battery insertion as shown. This visual shows the exclusion process for the Schlage lock. A full exclusion and re-inclusion often resolves integration problems. Z-Wave technology is being phased out in favor of newer standards. If you're experiencing frequent troubleshooting issues with your Schlage Connect lock, it may be time to consider upgrading to a Schlage Encode lock or another Matter-compatible device. These newer devices offer better reliability and seamless integration with modern smart home ecosystems. Continuing with older Z-Wave technology may lead to more frequent maintenance and troubleshooting in the long run.